Stop. Before you put anything on your face today, hold up. Let me ask you something. Have you ever slapped on a home remedy because the internet said so, and then boom, instant regret, redness, burning, rashes, irritation? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, I'm going to save your skin, literally. Because I'm going to show you 11 things you should never put on your face, even though millions of people do every day. Trust me, some of these will shock you. Dr. Berg here. Being in practice for 30 years, I've seen everything. People love experimenting with DIY skin hacks, and honestly, some of those hacks should be illegal. Your face is not a science experiment, but the internet sure treats it like one. Before we dive in, let me ask you, do you know your skin has an actual defense layer? Do you know the wrong product can mess up your skin for months? Do you know that even natural things can burn your face? Your skin, especially your facial skin, has something called an acid mantle. It's a protective barrier with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. That means your skin is naturally acidic, not neutral, not alkaline. Why? Because every square centimeter of your skin has over 1 million microbes, your own security team, working 24/7. If you destroy that balance, good luck. So let's break down the 11 things you should never put on your face, and why. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar, straight and undiluted. Some people literally pour a CV straight onto their face like it's holy water. Please don't. ACV has a pH of 2 to 3, which is basically battery acid vibes. Ever wonder why ACV kills weeds? Because it's that acidic. We sprayed it on our lawn once. It didn't just kill weeds, it murdered the grass. So imagine what it's doing to your skin. If, and only if, you absolutely want to use it, dilute it properly. 1 teaspoon in 8 ounces of water. Never ever apply it straight. Number 2. Lemon or lime juice. This one is wild. Some people use lemon juice because it brightens the skin. Yeah, until you go into the sun. Then boom, phytophotodoratis. It's a fancy word with a simple meaning. Sun plus lemon juice equals a chemical burn. Do not put lemon or lime juice on your face or your hair unless you're trying out for a tomato costume. Number 3. Essential oils, directly on your face. I love natural things, but natural doesn't always mean safe. Cedarwood, tea tree oil, and many others are too strong and too concentrated. They can cause instant irritation. If you absolutely want to test something, use a tiny patch, like a dot on your jawline. But putting straight essential oils on your entire face, that's a nope from me. Number 4. Bergamot oil. Bergamot smells amazing. It's in perfumes everywhere. But put it on your skin and go into sunlight. You're asking for a burn. A real, painful chemical reaction kind of burn. Avoid it, especially if you're stepping outside. Number 5. Baking soda. Listen, your face is not a baking recipe. Stop treating it like one. Baking soda has a pH of 9. That's 100 times more alkaline than neutral. Your face needs acidity to protect your microbiome. Alkalize it, and you destroy your good bacteria. Goodbye glow. Hello irritation. Number 6. Toothpaste. I don't know who started this trend, but toothpaste is for teeth, not skin. Hydrogen peroxide, fluoride, whitening chemicals, these do not belong on your face. There are better spot treatment options like vitamin C serums or salicylic acid, not minty blue goo. Number 7. Rubbing alcohol. Some people sterilize their face like they're preparing for surgery. Big mistake. Alcohol kills the good bacteria too. Your skin becomes dry, irritated, red, and more prone to breakouts. Sterilize your face, you weaken your skin, and your problems increase. It's that simple. Number 8. Hydrogen peroxide. Every teenager has tried this at least once and regretted it. Hydrogen peroxide is extremely oxidizing and corrosive. It can bleach your skin, it kills your microbiome, and it disrupts healing. Do not put it on your face. Number 9. Hair dye on eyebrows or eyelashes. Just don't. Hair dye is strong, willy spone. If it gets into your eyes, the damage can be permanent. Some cases have even reported blindness. Use products made specifically for brows and lashes only. Number 10. Topical steroids, used repeatedly. This one is sneaky because people use it without thinking. Redness, flaky skin, rash, steroid cream. But steroids shut down your immune system locally. Long-term side effects include thinning skin, visible blood vessels, stretch marks, loss of pigment, more bacterial overgrowth, and rosacea-like conditions. Use with extreme caution and only when truly necessary. Number 11. Daily exfoliating scrubs. Scrubs feel nice until your skin barrier is gone. Your microbiome gets stripped off. Your face becomes red, irritated, reactive, and acne-prone. There's nothing wrong with exfoliating, just don't do it every day. Also, use a shower filter to reduce chlorine and fluoride. These destroy skin health too. And here's a bonus tip. Makeup overload. Makeup isn't the enemy, but fragrance-heavy, chemical-filled makeup is. Choose non-toxic, fragrance-free, and gentle formulas. Your microbiome will thank you. So now you know the 11 things you should never put on your face unless you enjoy looking like a red-hot chili pepper. Your skin is smart. It knows what it's doing. Your job is simple. Don't mess up the acid mantle. Don't kill your microbiome. And don't fall for every viral hack on the internet. Want to know what you should put on your skin to stay healthy, glowing, and youthful? Click the video right here, and I'll break it down step by step. Take care of your face. It's the only one you've got.